So this is something we see a lot with homeowners. This is how the mousetrap got set. This is not the way you set a mousetrap. So we're going to disarm this. Not that it had a lot of chance of going off. We got bait tucked behind the trigger pan, like that, so the trigger pan can't even go down. This is a bunch of Swiss cheese. What you want to do with this, you want to take, see I'm holding down the snap mechanism. Take the firing pin, right down there like that. It's all ready to go. If you want to put some bait on there, you can. Just hold down here a little bit, and you don't need a lot, just a tiny little bit. A little bit of bait, you can use peanut butter, cheese, whatever. There you go. That thing's ready to go.